We live in a world that worships the illusion of perfection, where every flaw is hidden and every mistake is viewed as a sign of failure. Our lives are often measured by unrealistic standards, leaving us exhausted as we chase an idealized image of success that never seems to be enough. Behind the filtered smiles and carefully curated moments, many of us carry the heavy weight of exhaustion and the silent fear of being seen as broken. But what if the very things we try to hide are actually the keys to our liberation? What if our imperfections are where the magic begins? Pause for a moment and let the noise of the world fade away. Let your heart rest as we embark on a journey of healing. Have you ever wondered how the light gets in? It is through the cracks that the radiance of the soul finally finds its way to surface. We are here to explore the hidden beauty of the incomplete, to find strength in the broken pieces and grace in the scars we carry today. Step away from the pressure of being perfect. Breathe in the stillness and allow yourself to simply be exactly as you are in this very moment. There is a profound wisdom in things that have endured. Every mark and every wrinkle tells a story of survival and a life lived fully. Let us walk together through the garden of the soul, discovering that beauty is not found in the flawless, but in the truth of existence. The Japanese have long embraced a philosophy known as Wabi-sabi. It is the art of finding beauty in imperfection and the natural cycle of growth. Wabi-sabi teaches us that nothing lasts, nothing is finished, and nothing is perfect. In this realization, we find a deep sense of peace and acceptance. When we stop fighting against the passage of time, we begin to see the elegance in decay and the quiet dignity of the old and worn. A tree shaped by the wind is more beautiful than one grown in a vacuum. Its bends and twists are evidence of its remarkable resilience. The beauty of wabi-sabi is modest and humble. It doesn't shout for attention, but invites us to look closer at the subtle details of life. Every scratch on a wooden floor or chip in a ceramic bowl is a record of a moment shared, a memory kept in the heart. This philosophy invites us to cherish the simple and the rustic. It asks us to find contentment in the little things that we often overlook. Accepting the aging process of a favorite object is a practice in accepting the aging of our own bodies and the transience of all things. In the quietude of a wabi-sabi lifestyle, there is no room for vanity. There is only the honest expression of nature and the passage of time. By embracing the imperfect, we free ourselves from the prison of comparison. We no longer need to be better than others, only true to ourselves. There is a certain melancholy in this beauty, a reminder that life is fleeting, which makes every moment we have even more precious and sacred. Contentment comes when we stop wanting more and start appreciating what is already here in all its humble and honest glory within our reach. Your life is a collection of stories, some written in joy and others in sorrow. Each page is essential to the masterpiece that is you. When you find an-nhien, a state of absolute tranquility, you realize that the world is perfect exactly as it is, including all its perceived flaws. Let the philosophy of the withered and the worn soften your heart. Allow yourself to be an-nhien in the presence of the beautifully imperfect world. Now, let us look at another profound art, Kintsugi. It is the Japanese practice of repairing broken pottery with lacquer mixed with powdered gold. When a bowl breaks, our first instinct is often to throw it away, thinking it has lost its value and can never be whole again. In Kintsugi, the breakage is not the end. It is simply a dramatic turning point in the object's history, a new chapter beginning in its life. The artist does not try to hide the cracks. Instead, they choose to highlight them, making the repairs the most prominent feature of the piece. By using gold to join the pieces, The artist transforms a tragedy into a triumph. The broken vessel becomes even more valuable than before it fell. This process requires immense time and care. It is a slow meditation on healing, where every step is performed with intention and deep love. Healing is not about returning to how things were. It is about integrating the break into your story and creating something entirely new and resilient. The gold doesn't just hold the pieces together, it honors the struggle. It celebrates the fact that the object survived and is now stronger. Your soul is like this bowl. The hardships you have faced and the heartbreaks you have endured are the cracks that define your unique beauty. Don't be ashamed of your scars. They are the golden seams of your life, proving that you had the strength to put yourself back together. The repaired bowl is unique. No two breaks are ever the same, making each Kintsugi piece a one-of-a-kind treasure in the entire world. We often fear being broken because we fear being worthless. But Kintsugi shows us that brokenness can lead to a more profound kind of value. Your past traumas do not diminish you. They add depth to your character and give you a perspective that a perfect life could never offer. Think of your resilience as the gold. Every time you choose to keep going, you are adding a precious layer of strength to your spirit. We are all works in progress, constantly being mended and refined by the experiences we encounter on this winding road called life. Embrace your history. Wear your repairs with pride. You are a living testament to the power of restoration and the beauty of the soul. As we move forward, carry the lesson of the gold with you. Remember that you are more beautiful because you have been broken before. Now take a moment to turn your gaze inward. The process of healing begins with the courage to face your own inner landscape with kindness. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of the need to be anything other than exactly who you are right now. Acknowledge the pain you have felt. Do not push it away or judge it. Simply observe it as a part of your vast human experience. You are a part of this infinite universe. Just as the stars emerge from the darkness, your light can shine through the darkest parts of your soul. Treat your wounds with the same tenderness that the potter treats the broken ceramic. You deserve your own compassion and your own love. Imagine your self-love as the liquid gold of Kintsugi. Let it flow into the cracks of your heart, sealing the wounds and making you whole. Healing is not a destination, it is a practice. It is the daily choice to be gentle with yourself when you feel fragile or tired. In the silence, you can hear the whispers of your inner wisdom. It tells you that you are enough. You have always been enough, just as you are. Every person you have loved, every loss you have suffered, is a thread in the rich tapestry of your being. Nothing is ever truly wasted. Let the ocean wash away your regrets. Let the wind carry away your fears. You are constantly being renewed by the rhythm of life's flow. The light that you seek is not outside of you. It is already there, waiting for you to recognize it amidst the shadows of your past. From the dust of old stars, new worlds are born. From the ashes of your old self, a stronger, more radiant version of you is emerging. Hold on to the truth of your worth. It is unshakable, no matter what happens in the external world. You are inherently valuable and unique. Allow yourself to bloom in your own time. There is no rush to heal. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished in its season. Ground yourself in the present moment. This is the only place where healing can truly happen. This is where your power resides today. Peace is not the absence of conflict, but the ability to remain centered in the midst of it. It is the quiet strength within. When you embrace your imperfections, you stop being a victim of your past. You become the conscious architect of your own beautiful future. You are the light, you are the gold, and you are the healer. Believe in the infinite capacity of your heart to expand and grow. As the sun begins to rise, we see life's incredible persistence. A tiny seed finds the strength to grow through the hardest of stones. Every morning is a new opportunity to begin again. The darkness of the night is always followed by the promise of a fresh start. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. This light is for you. It is a reminder that you are a vital part of this world. Your vulnerabilities are not weaknesses. They are the openings through which you connect with the world and with others in a meaningful way. Walk slowly. There is no need to run. The journey itself is the reward, and every step taken in self-love is a victory. The broken cup, the weathered stone, and the scarred heart, all are part of the same universal dance of imperfection and profound beauty. When we heal ourselves, we also heal the world. Our light inspires others to find the courage to face their own cracks with love. Joy is possible even after the greatest sorrows. It returns like the spring, bringing color and life back to the frozen winter of the soul. The storm has passed. What remains is a sky of endless possibilities and a heart that knows it can survive anything that comes its way. Look at your cracks not as damage, but as the places where your story is written in gold. You are a masterpiece of resilience. Continue to write your story. Let it be honest, let it be messy, and most of all, let it be filled with the light of your truth. Home is not a place, it is a state of being. It is the peace you find when you are finally at home within yourself. As the day ends, carry this peace with you. Let the lessons of Wabi-sabi and Kintsugi be the gold that joins your moments together. You are enough. You are beautiful. You are whole in your brokenness. May you always find the light in the cracks of your life. Thank you for walking this path with us. May you sleep with a peaceful mind and wake with a heart full of light.